Today, I will show you how to write your first C program in 5 minutes. I'm going to make a quick C tutorial to show you that C programming can be easy in the beginning. It's a small introduction to C language and you will be able to create your first code even if you don't know how to program. We will keep everything very simple. First, you will have to install CodeBlocks. Go to codeblocks.org and follow the instructions. It's very easy to do. I'll make another video to explain all details. Open CodeBlocks. Click on File, New, Project. On the new window, select Console Application. Click on Go. To make the language selection, click on C. Next, and give a name to your project. Double-click on the main.c file to read the code. You're ready. Select the line Hello World. Modify the text and add your name or type My First Code. Click on Build and Run. You can see that you have created your first C program. Do you find it was difficult? What did you create in fact? Where is your program? In CodeBlocks, let's look at the build log. Move the window to read the text inside. You will see the name of the files you have created on your own computer. The most important is the exe file. This is the first C program. Instructions are in the C file, and when you compile, some instructions are creating your program.